As of February 19, 2025, Swiggy Limited (NSE), Swiggy is a prominent player in India's food delivery and quick commerce sectors. This report provides a comprehensive analysis of Swiggy's stock, encompassing both fundamental and technical perspectives. Fundamental analysis: Swiggy has demonstrated notable growth in its revenue streams, primarily driven by its food delivery and quick commerce divisions. Key financial highlights include revenue growth. In the third quarter ending December 31, 2024, Swiggy reported a consolidated revenue of 3,993.07 crore rupees, marking a 30.98% increase compared to the same period the previous year. Net loss: the company's consolidated net loss for the same quarter widened to 799 crore rupees, up from 574 crore rupees in the corresponding quarter of the previous year. This increase is attributed to heightened investments in expanding its quick commerce segment, Instamart, to compete with rivals like Zomato's Blinkit and startup Zepto. Expenses: total expenses rose by approximately 32% to 4,898 crore rupees, largely due to the establishment of 96 new, dark stores, bringing the total to 705. These facilities support Swiggy's rapid delivery services, including the 10-minute delivery initiative known as Bolt. Market position: Swiggy's Instamart holds a 20–25% market share in India's quick commerce sector, positioning it second to Zomato-owned Blinkit. Technical analysis: Swiggy's stock has experienced volatility, influenced by its financial performance and competitive market dynamics. Stock performance: on February 6, 2025, shares of Swiggy fell approximately 8% to a record low following the announcement of a wider third-quarter loss. Analyst perspectives: the increased losses and rising operational costs have led to cautious sentiment among investors and analysts. Some brokerages have adjusted their price targets downward, reflecting concerns over profitability amidst aggressive expansion efforts. Conclusion: Swiggy's aggressive expansion in the quick commerce sector has resulted in significant revenue growth. However, the associated increase in operational costs and net losses presents challenges to achieving profitability. Investors should closely monitor Swiggy's strategic initiatives, competitive positioning, and financial metrics to assess the sustainability of its growth trajectory. As of February 19, 2025, Swiggy Limited (NSE), Swiggy is experiencing notable movements in its stock performance. Here's a detailed technical analysis. 52-week range: 375 rupees low, 617 rupees and 30 paise high. Technical indicators: Relative Strength Index (RSI) 26.973 sell. Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD) -14.53 sell. Average Directional Index (ADX) 71.051 oversold. Williams percent R -92.021 oversold. Commodity Channel Index (CCI) -98.213 sell. These indicators suggest a bearish trend, with the stock potentially being oversold. Moving averages: Simple moving averages (SMA) 5-day 364 rupees and 3 paise sell. 10-day 368 rupees and 56 paise sell. 20-day 379 rupees and 44 paise sell. 50-day 411 rupees and 36 paise sell. 100-day 418 rupees and 4 paise sell. 200-day 454 rupees and 38 paise sell. Exponential moving averages (EMA) 5-day 364 rupees and 53 paise sell. 10-day 368 rupees and 83 paise sell. 20-day 380 rupees and 95 paise sell. 50-day 400 rupees and 17 paise sell. 100-day 419 rupees and 62 paise sell. 200-day 445 rupees and 19 paise sell. The consistent sell signals across various moving averages indicate a downward momentum. Pivot points: support levels: S1 360 rupees and 34 paise. S2 357 rupees and 52 paise. S3 354 rupees and 44 paise. Resistance levels. R1, 366 rupees and 24 paise. R2, 369 rupees and 32 paise. R3, 372 rupees and 14 paise. These levels can guide traders in identifying potential entry and exit points. Conclusion. The technical indicators and moving averages for Swiggy Limited suggest a bearish trend with potential oversold conditions. Investors should exercise caution and consider these technical factors alongside fundamental analysis before making investment decisions. As of February 19, 2025, Swiggy Limited, NSE, Swiggy, has garnered attention from various analysts and financial platforms regarding its long-term stock performance. Here is a consolidated overview of the projected targets. Analyst projections. 2026, TradingView reports an average price target of 542 rupees and 59 paise, with estimates ranging between 325 rupees and 740 rupees. 2028, SharePrice-Target.com anticipates the stock price to be between 935 rupees and 1120 rupees. 2030, Mutualswap.com projects a share price ranging from 3,800 rupees to 4,200 rupees, with Swiggy's valuation potentially reaching $30 billion due to technological innovations and international expansion. 2040, TradeWatch360.com estimates the share price could reach between 2,850 rupees and 3,200 rupees, positioning Swiggy as a global leader in the food tech space. Market sentiment. Despite these optimistic projections, some industry experts express caution. Gopal Srinivasan, chairman of TVS Capital Funds, suggests that India's rapid growth in the quick commerce industry, led by companies like Swiggy, may be unsustainable. He points out that this expansion heavily relies on private equity and venture capital funding, which might not be economically viable in the long term. Conclusion. While various analysts provide optimistic long-term targets for Swiggy's stock, it's essential to approach these projections with caution. The quick commerce sector's sustainability and Swiggy's ability to balance growth with profitability will significantly influence its future stock performance. Investors are advised to conduct thorough research and consider both market trends and company fundamentals before making investment decisions. Disclaimer. This report is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial, investment, or trading advice. Stock market investments are subject to market risks, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Investors should conduct their own research and consult with a certified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. The data provided is based on publicly available sources as of February 19, 2025, and may be subject to change.
धन्यवाद आपको और हाँ, आपको भी धन्यवाद इनकी भूख पहले मिटाने के लिए और खुद की बाद में मिटाने के लिए। धन्यवाद तमिल, तेलुगु, पंजाबी, मराठी सब थोड़ा थोड़ा जानने के लिए। धन्यवाद अनजान गलियों में भी अनजान घर ढूंढने के लिए। धन्यवाद आपके मजबूत इरादों के लिए। धन्यवाद कभी न रुकने के लिए और किसी से भी धन्यवाद की उम्मीद नहीं रखने के लिए। हमारी तरफ से आपको धन्यवाद।